a special edition of 4th of July Independence Day, and we are right now in Coney Island where all the festivities are taking place. As some of you probably know, we have the Nathan's Famous hot dog that happened this morning where somebody won by eating 62 hot dogs. And also, we also have the biggest fireworks, and a lot of people are coming from all over to witness that firework. And we have a couple of people that are waiting, and they're going to do some flips for you, and they're also going to be telling you about what 4th of July is for them at Coney Island. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff going on. We have flippers flipping, and we have a lot of games going on, and we have a lot of people joining the festivities for Coney Island. And you can't see, but we have a whole lot of people that are standing. What's your name?
Davina. Davina.
Tavina. Tavina, is this your first year here?
No, I've been here before when I was younger.
Okay, how do you like it?
It's really cool.
Okay, what do you like best?
The rides, the roller coasters.
The roller coasters. Now, are you guys gonna stay for the fireworks?
Yeah, we are.
All right, so what's your best thing about the 4th of July?
I spent time with my family mostly.
That's really good. Family is very important. Thank you so much. What was your name again?
Davina.
Tavina. Yes, have a great 4th. Okay, Tavina, thank you. All right, as you can see, we have countless people, young and old, every ages, every nationality, and everybody come here in Coney Island to celebrate the 4th. So we're going to take a short break, and we're going to bring you some more people that are going to be doing things, singing, and enjoying the day right here in Coney Island. Right now, we just met somebody else, Beatrice. Beatrice brought her little daughter, Ariana.
Say hello.
Hi, say hello.
Say hello to the camera.
Hi. She is so adorable. She's wearing the colors, and her mother, let's talk to her. How do you like it here?
It's good. I come to enjoy the fireworks, the machines for the baby, and different stuff, and it's feeling nice around.
Where are you from? Are you from Brooklyn?
No, I'm from Manhattan, New York.
Oh, so you travel from Manhattan. Is this your first year here?
Yeah, it's my first year being here.
Yes, I see the festivities. I see all the food. Did you get a chance to eat something yet?
Not around here.
Not alright. Oh well, enjoy your 4th because it's beautiful and your beautiful daughter. Say bye to the people.
Say bye.
Bye. Oh my goodness, she is absolutely adorable. She's wearing the colors of the flag, and I hope you guys have a great afternoon and enjoy the fireworks. All right, thank you. Thank you, same to you. Well, sure, we have countless people. They come. If you can see, we have hundreds, if not thousands of people. Oh, now we have somebody. We have thousands of people all over the street, and we have food, there's games, there's rides, and everybody is so happy to be here. It's just such as festivities. If you've never been here, well, this is my first year, I must confess. But I am certain that next year I will be here because there's so much going on, and when I do come, I'm gonna bring my whole family. This is the place to be at this time. But when you're coming, if you are coming, you can't drive. You're gonna have to take the train because there's nowhere to park, because thousands and thousands of people are flooded these streets. And we have this man that's waiting to say something. How are you?
Hello, good evening. My name is Mike. I'm from Ecuador, and I think that Coney Island is the place where we all bond. From all nations, from all parts of the world, they all come here, and I think this is the most beautiful place that we could bond and make a better future. This is how we do it, together.
Wow, thank you. That is very, very nice. You live in Coney Island?
I'm from the Bronx, and I live in Coney Island. I live in Brooklyn.
Oh, That's really good. You come every year?
I live like 10 blocks away, so I come every time I can get a chance.
Oh, that's good.
Hoping that the weather allows us to expand and come and enjoy such a beautiful place.
It is beautiful. It is beautiful. I'm looking at the rides and I'm having all these people and the food. It is absolutely amazing. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for talking to us.
Thank you so much. I think this is beautiful. Let's come. Hey, Brooklyn!
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you so much. Welcome back. Well, I found some wonderful people that you guys would like to meet. What are your names?
Shahad.
Shahad?
Ayed.
And
Nadia.
oh, well, nice to meet you guys. Now, is this your first time here or where are you from? Tell us a little bit about you and how you enjoyed the day.
Today it's my fourth or fifth time in Coney Island.
Okay.
I love the place, nice place, and I'm here to celebrate with you guys.
Oh, thank you. I see you wearing the flag. It is beautiful.
Yeah, sure, I'm happy because I'm in America.
Oh, that's good. Are you from any town around here?
Yeah, from Kuwait, Middle East.
They are from Kuwait and they are here in Coney Island celebrating Independence Day. So you see how diverse this is right now. Tell me guys, what do you guys love best about being here?
Nice people, nice weather, nice country, everybody only American.
Wow, you hear that? Nice country, nice people. They're loving everybody. All the way from Kuwait, they came here to celebrate Independence Day with us in Brooklyn. So you must be here next year. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you, thank you. So hopefully I'll see you guys here again next year. It was a pleasure.
Yeah, I said for all people of American, congratulations.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Oh, that's good. Well, thank you. All the way from Kuwait, like I said, and they came to Coney Island to celebrate the 4th of July. Thank you, you guys. Thank you. So we'll take a break and we'll be right back. We're back with another group of people that came here to enjoy Independence Day at Coney Island. What are your names, guys?
Samuel is my name.
Oh, okay.
My name is Nat.
My name is Chinwe.
Well, this is not their first time. How many times have you guys come here for the 1st of July?
Well, we've been here like a couple of times. Maybe like we've been coming here for the past like 3 years.
How do you like it?
It's so great.
It is beautiful. There's all kind of people. And one other thing, she is my lost cousin. Yes, she is my long lost cousin that I found here. And we so happen to reconnect, right, cuz? Yeah, so it is amazing here. Did you guys try any of the food?
Not yet.
Not yet.
What would you guys try here?
We'll probably try like corn, you know, rice, ice cream, you know, good food and stuff.
It looks like there's a lot of good food here. Well, before I leave, I must have a Nathan's hot dog because you know Coney Island is totally famous for
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Yes. Well, thank you so much, guys, for passing by. As you can tell, there's so many kids running around, and we're gonna take another break. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Enjoy your 4th. All right. Thank you.
me mira que me vuelvo loco, emborrachadita de la bomba estás. Cosa linda, cosa mona, sube, sube que la bomba va. Dando media vuelta y otra vuelta más. En cada esquina, nena, dame más. Dando media vuelta y otra vuelta más. En cada esquina, nena, dame más. De noche con vida intensamente vivida te vas quedando colgada, inofensiva, una enamorada, mira, guapa sale volando, la ropa sigue bailando, la luna, una gatuna, esa es la bomba, muévete la vida que me vuelve loco, emborrachadita de la bomba estás, cosa linda, cosa mona, sube, sube que la bomba va. Dando media vuelta y otra vuelta más. En cada esquina, nena, dame más. Dando media vuelta y otra vuelta más. En cada esquina, nena, dame más. Que me vuelvo loco, emborrachadita de la bomba estás, cosa linda, cosa mona, sube, sube que la bomba va. De noche con vida intensamente vivida te vas quedando colgada, inofensiva, pura enamorada, mira, guapa sale volando, la ropa sigue bailando, la luna, una gatuna, esa es la bomba. Dando media vuelta y otra vuelta más. En cada esquina, nena, dame más. Dando media vuelta y otra vuelta más. En cada esquina, nena, dame más. Muévelo, muévelo,
I have a group of young kids that are willing to express their love for this place right here at this time. As we've been talking about, we are enjoying Independence Day in Coney Island. What are your names?
Troy.
Troy.
Tyrone.
Tyrone.
Tristan.
Tristan.
Cardi.
Cardi.
Isai.
Oh, so guys, how long have you guys been coming here?
I lived here for 5 years.
5 years. How do you like it?
I love it.
Tell me.
Fireworks every weekend.
Now, for somebody that has never come here, when they come here, what should they expect? And tell them the best food that they can eat here.
Hot dogs.
Nathan's cheese fries with bacon on top.
Wow, that sounds delicious and fattening. Anything else? Any of the rides that you guys would recommend?
Don't get on the cyclone.
Why?
Too scared.
Don't get on the cyclone.
It's old.
It's not good. Well, there's a lot of rides here, and we've been told not to get on the cyclone. And they also told us you celebrating your birthday?
Yes.
Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday on Independence Day. Well, it was nice having you guys here, and we wish you guys a great 4th of July, and we hope you enjoy the fireworks. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Well, like we've been saying, we have people of every age, of every walk of life. We have children here, we have adults here, I don't want to say old people, but we have everybody here. So you have to be here to experience what's going on. The festivities are still going on. We have music, we have rides, we have food, and soon we're going to have the fireworks. We're going to take, we have a couple of other kids that want to say hello. Hi! You guys are so so cute. What are your names?
My name is Jakia Buckley.
Hi, Jakia. And you are?
Jazara Buckley.
Oh, hi. Oh, my goodness. Hi, you're so cute. I see you wearing blue and white. What is today? Do you know?
4th of July, and that's my birthday.
Oh, it is your birthday.
And they're going to show fireworks.
Yes.
And my name is Jacori.
Hi, Jacori.
My name is Jamie.
Well, it's nice. Oh, nice to meet all of you guys. And hi, what's your name?
Keisha.
Keisha. Well, thank you for bringing them. It seems like a lot of fun. Thank you. Like I was saying, happy birthday. As I was saying earlier, we have so many kids, so many people, all different ethnicities, all different backgrounds, all different religions. They are right here in Coney Island enjoying the 4th. And next year, you should make it your duty to come here because you will have a load of fun. My name is Marjorie, and this is Nick and Nick's production, and we will bring you more right here from Coney Island, so stay tuned. As we've been telling you, it doesn't matter your walk of life, you can still come here and have a good time. I have a young lady with me, her name is?
Yvonne.
Yvonne, how long have you been coming here?
I've been coming here for the past 30 years.
30 years!
And I enjoy it every day more and more. And it's exciting, different cultures. And we enjoy all types of cultures, language, and nice people to get along with here in Coney Island. And as you see, I'm still a trooper even though I'm in this chair.
Exactly.
Stop me, July 4th.
So anybody can make it here. And what's the best food to eat here, Yvonne?
Oh my God, the fish and chips, Caribbean, spicy food. You could go with the pizza, but you'd rather be in Coney Island, in the islands.
Exactly. I heard the hot dogs are really good, the Nathan hot dogs.
Oh yes, the hot dogs are great. And if you're eligible to wait for the line, then you can make it.
Absolutely. Any other word that you would like to tell anybody that's watching?
Whoever hasn't come to Coney Island, they haven't been in the Caribbean. So come to Coney Island and feel back at home.
You need to be here. You heard it from Yvonne.
Thank you.
Make sure you be here next year in Coney Island, celebrating the 4th of July.
Bye.
Thank you, Yvonne. Bye-bye. Enjoy your 4th.
This is a man's world. Take us over the road. Man made the trains to carry a heavy, heavy load. Man made the electric lights take us out of the dark. Yeah. Man made boats for the water like Noah made the ark. This is a man thinks about in peace tonight. American soldier, I'm an American, an American, an American soldier.
As you can see, we have a lot of people enjoying this 4th right here in Coney Island. I have people on my left, on my right, and everybody's having an amazing time. There's countless rides, and the fireworks is about to start at 9 o'clock. And we also have all kind of food. You need to come here. This is the place to be every 4th of July, right here in Coney Island, enjoying the festivities. My name is Marjorie, and this is Nick and Nick's production, and I'll see you next time. I gotta go and get some food. We'll see you. Make sure you come here next year.